Recently, a customer asked whether our temperature control accuracy can be plus or minus 0.3 degree. We can do this, but we have to see what conditions it is applied to. For example, our cooling and heating temperature control system can achieve plus or minus 0.3 degree. It is used for temperature control of the reaction chamber in the semiconductor manufacturing process and for fluid temperature control places that require non-flammable heat transfer medium. LTS series equipment with fluorinated liquid is recommended, and this customer's requirement is used for the process of the mechanical manufacturing and only a single requirement of temperature control accuracy, and the budget is relatively low, unable to match the corresponding demand. The higher the temperature control accuracy requirements, the higher the design requirements for accessories and products as a whole, and the price is not so ideal.